Hi, welcome to MTS Technik. My name is Kacper and I'm an engineer here. In this video, I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit designed for the third generation Ford Focus in hatchback and sedan body styles, as well as 2012 to 2019 Volvo V40. On the front axle, you will find two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhance the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The front and rear springs are produced by the German company eibach. On the front, you will find ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of just 60 mm, they allow for easy replacements with springs of varying stiffness. On the rear, you will find progressive springs ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. Moreover, our kit includes helper springs to provide preload for all four main springs. The rear axle is equipped with two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for the lowered suspension, with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. Moreover, on the front axle, the kit includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum adapters and black anodized aluminum spring caps with spring bearings. On the rear axle, you will find black anodized aluminum height adjusters. Our kit also includes an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation you'll need, such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.